Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing very well, and in this video I'm going to unboxing my new toys here. And as you know, I have been using SVOD 3 programmer for a long time, so now I need to upgrade my BIOS programmer because latest generation motherboard, latest IO controller does not support by SVOD 3 programmer, so that's why I need to upgrade SVOD 3 to SVOD 4 programmer. And unfortunately this programmer is not available in my country, so I order it from abroad by third-party website. So let's unbox together, and as you can see, this box come as it is. So let's unbox this. It's a simple packet. Most of IO controller now does not support SVOD 3 programmer, and SVOD 4 have a feature I2C. It's a great feature. We can write SIO controller by battery connector in motherboard. I will make video. Okay, this is the SVOD 4 programmer box, but this box look like so old. As you can see here, something right down here, it's look really so old. I don't know what is inside. Let's check it out. Maybe this one is invoice. Okay, we got the right product. Look like SVOD 4 programmer. And it's new. Look at that. Okay, so you got the flex cable. This cable for program SIO. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Oh, another one, 14. So you got 14 cable. Anything? Okay, this is the keyboard extension board. This is a USB cable. So guys, please comments me, is everything okay or not, and I got the right one or not, because I don't know. I really little bit confused, but this programmer look like new, but this box looks so old. I don't know why they sent this box, but it's looking fully new. There's not a single scratch. It's look like so fresh. There is a no single scratch. So, but I know a lot of subscriber in my channel, you are using this SVOD 4 programmer, so please comments me I got everything or not, because I ordered this SVOD 4 programmer from my country and they sent me this. Only this box look like so old and everything look like new inside this box. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and I will make a lot of video how to program SIO SIO chip with the battery connector. Any kind of SIO chip you can program from battery connector. You can program also Legion 5 gaming laptop Lenovo. Only you don't need to buy the zip socket, 128 zip socket, you don't need to buy. You can program those kind of IO chip like Lenovo IT 8227 128 256, that kind of SIO chip you can program very easily without zip socket. Only 3 wire, clock data and ground. Of course you need to power supply, and that's it. You can very easily flash that kind of SIO programmer. So thanks everyone watching this video.